channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Dwight inspired Christmas look from the Office Christmas Party episode. This is a really easy, simple look that is honestly mostly costume themed. So of course I will leave everything linked down below for you guys to find. Most is from Amazon, so that's really helpful. You honestly don't even need to wear any makeup. I just thought it'd be fun to do a little bit of a gender bent, fun, easy makeup look because this Christmas I was feeling a little bit more on the easy side of things so I can fully prep for the upcoming year. So anyways, with all that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to get started, we're just going to be going ahead and pulling this hair back and taking these fake glasses off so we can prime our face. I'm going to be using my Buckle Bunny Beauty Fringe Benefit Primer and just applying this all over my face before going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 220N and using my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush to apply this. I'm then going to be applying my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha to all of the areas that I would like to contour before blending that out. And for my highlight, I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer in C2.5 and applying this to the areas that I would like to brighten. Now, I personally like to lay this down, go over to my brows and fill those in, and then come back to blend this out. I took this tip from 𝐼𝐸𝐼𝐚, who is an absolute queen, and it has completely changed my life because it just stays longer and it is more opaque. I'm then going to be setting my concealer with my Airspun Translucent Powder, and then moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Disney Designer palette. This is my favorite everyday palette, and so I definitely wanted to use it for this look. I'm going to be going into Chip and just applying this all over my lid before jumping into Grumpy and applying this on the outer corner and blending that into the crease, and even bringing that down to my lower lash line as well. Following that, I'm going to be applying Prince Charming onto my brow bone just to give it a nice highlight, and then I'm going to be going into Triton, and I'm going to be applying this once again on the outer portion of the crease and blending it in towards the center, and I'm going to be doing the exact same thing with a Boo. We're just going to be building up that dimension, and I'm going to be bringing this one down to my lower lash line as well. I'm then going to be going into Ray and just bringing this right onto my eyelid before going into my Makeup Forever Dimensional Dark Brown Eyeliner and tightlining my lower waterline. I will also be taking my KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Mad Max Brown and just creating a nice simple wing before going into my face. I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm just going to be bronzing up my face before moving on to my Butter Blush in Plum Rose to just kind of work as a transition shade between my bronzer and my blush. For my blush, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Designer Collection Enchanted Mirror Blush and just popping that onto the apples of my cheeks. And for my highlight, I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, taking Dream, and just applying that to my cheekbones, my nose, and even bringing that into the inner corner of my eyes as well. I'm going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them and then go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping that through my eyelashes. And while my false eyelashes are getting tacky with the glue, I'm going to be doing my lips. I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Beeper and just outlining my lips, and then I'm going straight to gloss with this. This is my favorite lip gloss ever. It is the Sephora Lip Gloss in Perfect Nude. And then once the eyelashes are ready, I'm just taking my Kiss number 11s. These are my favorite for the longest time for everyday wear, and just applying that right on my lash line. And that is my Dwight Genderbend makeup look, Office Party Edition. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. I actually think this is probably one of my favorite looks I filmed this Christmas, and maybe out of most of my 12 days of SFX-mas videos that I have ever done. I don't know why. There's just something about it that is just, it feels right, you know? It feels pretty good. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you can actually find some use out of it. Maybe do this for your office Christmas party and let me know. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!